Hello, I would like to make the following proposal for program development.
For this course development schedule, I decided to choose these three concentrations: the international economic law and policy, criminal law, and human rights. The total number of courses in these three concentrations is 78. For this proposal, I recommend starting with the required course sets. There are 4 required courses that are taught in all 3 concentrations. There is 1 course that is taught in 2 of the concentrations, and finally, there are 5 unique courses. Starting with this course group would provide a starting point for some students while development work proceeds on the concentrations. These courses are also used in the other concentrations, so it should prove to be very effective. And I believe this would provide the most impact as the plan is put into motion. This is a pragmatic approach, and that it would provide, the best effect as we roll this plan out, providing a maximum impact and providing the instructional and design team with a very focused production set. This is my proposed schedule. If you look in the first column, there's a number of courses, the number of courses in each section. I have it also separated out by session, so the top green area is the required courses, and then there's international economic law and policy, and then the yellow area is the criminal electives, and then after that would be the human rights electives. And you can see they're separated out by the different sessions. So each one of these areas is actually a 7.5 week session. And then finally, in the pink area below, there's an actual whole semester of time that would provide us with a little buffer to not only review the required courses that were completed and make sure that everything is working fine, but it would also allow us to start reviewing the elective courses as we continue. Now, if production needs to push into this area, that's part of the flexible production plan. And student workers to help us facilitate the speed of the production. On top of that, we might be able to get some additional assistance from the Office of Digital Learning through their liaison, and then perhaps get an additional production assistance. And this would have to be explored as we roll this project out, this development plan. In order to more closely match the rest of the university's online production cycles, I propose that the online courses have a 3-year production cycle, and during the end of their 3-year delivery, actually, you would have to review the feedback and get your faculty interviews and assess those, and then do a quality matters review, and then make the required adjustments based on all that information. Finally, there are several conclusions on this production plan that I've come to. I believe we should consider making these master courses and then providing a basic mandatory framework for each one of the courses, especially the required courses, that can be added to. In addition to that, what might make production a little faster is to create shareable modules and content, with the faculty's permission, of course, to be able to plug in different elements into different courses a little more quickly. There may be no reason to do a new module that's similar to another module. So something we need to look at, and it would speed up the process. The courses could also be used for I-courses or even hybrid delivery if we choose to do that later. We can also create specific certification courses that could be assembled and delivered from all of these exchangeable parts. So we could create several different certification projects and programs that could be a little more flexible as far as what's going on, or making sure that we're meeting the needs of the students. This concludes my proposal. I would like to take the time to thank the committee very much for your time and consideration. Thank you.